But what if I told you one country just made a decision that could move trillions of dollars globally? Most people have not even understood what happened yet. May 2026, a quiet announcement shook the oil world. The UAE officially walked out of OPEC. There was no drama and no headlines screaming panic. Behind the scenes, this was a financial earthquake. For nearly 60 years, OPEC controlled oil. Prices did not just move randomly, they were managed. Countries agreed to limit supply to control price. One country started doing the math, and the math did not make sense anymore. The UAE had already invested billions building capacity to produce 5 million barrels per day. Under OPEC rules, they were allowed to produce only around 3 million. Imagine you own a business that can sell 100 products daily, but you are only allowed to sell 60. That gap was costing the UAE nearly $50 billion every year. It was not loss, but lost opportunity. The question changed from should we stay in OPEC to why are we still here? Timing is everything, and this decision did not happen in isolation. Global tensions were rising at the same time. The Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important oil routes, was under threat. Nearly 1/3 of global oil supply passes through it. When that gets disrupted, markets do not react slowly, they panic. But the UAE played a different game. While others depended on that route, the UAE had already built an alternative. A pipeline bypasses the entire risk zone. While others were stuck, the UAE could still supply oil. Being part of OPEC started looking like a limitation, not an advantage. The UAE gained freedom to produce more, freedom to sell more, and freedom to price independently. This was not just an exit, it was a strategic upgrade. As an investor, think about what happens when a major oil producer increases supply while others are restricted. It changes oil prices, inflation, and stock markets across the US, UK, India, and emerging markets. For India, this could mean more supply options, better long-term deals, and lower pressure on fuel prices over time. If one country can leave OPEC and benefit, what stops others from doing the same? If more countries follow OPEC, might slowly lose its power. When control disappears, markets become unpredictable. Global money shifts not slowly, but through decisions that most people ignore at first. The UAE did not just exit OPEC, they chose independence, opportunity, and future over tradition. Sometimes the biggest growth comes from walking away from what everyone else still believes in. Think about your investments and your decisions. Are you holding on to something just because it has always worked? Are you ready to rethink when the math changes? Somewhere right now, another decision like this is happening, and those who understand it early are the ones who win. Which industry today looks stable but could be completely disrupted? Next, comment below. If you enjoy stories that break down real money, moves real global decisions, and real wealth lessons, subscribe to WealthyKlicks. We post stories like this every single day. The next one might change how you see money forever.